Hi guys, I'm Christine, co-founder of Glow Recipe, your destination for all things K-beauty. I want to introduce you to your new favorite exfoliator, the Whamisa by Glow Studio Charcoal Chai Tea Pore Refining Glow Pads. So each jar has 25 pads that are soaked in a blend of pore detoxifying charcoal extract as well as antioxidant-rich chai tea. They're super easy to use, so you just tuck your fingers into a pad and then on clean, dry skin, buff away in a small circular motion wherever you need, detoxifying, refining, and exfoliating. I like to start from my cheek area and then work into my T-zone, which tends to be oilier. And they're really great to make sure that your skin feels soft, smooth, and is really ready and prepped for next skincare steps ahead. Plus, you get that instant glow. So if you have sensitive skin, don't forget to rinse after using these charcoal chai pads. And then after using them, you'll feel that your skin is softer, more bouncy, supple, and with a nice glow lasting all day long. So you want to make sure you work regular exfoliation into your skincare routine. Sloughing off dead skin cell buildup over time will really help to not only make the skin's texture smoother, softer, but also decongest pores. These charcoal chai pads are great for any skin type, but especially great for acne-prone, trouble-prone, and oily to combination skin. For more natural K-beauty innovations, don't forget to check out the rest of the Whamisa by Glow Studio line.